In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a forward icon in Figma. Whether you're designing a website or an app, knowing how to create basic icons is essential. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to help you build your own forward icon using Figma's design tools. To begin, open up your Figma workspace. This is your canvas, where all the magic happens. If you're new to Figma, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The toolbar at the top is where you'll find all your design tools, and the Layers panel on the left helps you manage your design elements. Next, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on the main menu. This menu gives you access to various file options and settings. From here, select File. This is where you can manage your project files, from opening new ones to saving your progress. Once you've clicked on File, look for the Place Image option. Selecting this will allow you to import images directly into your Figma project. This feature is useful when you want to integrate existing assets or work with templates. Now, it's time to choose the forward icon from your image library. Ideally, you should have a collection of icons or images ready for use. If you don't have one yet, you can easily find free icon sets online or create your own using Figma's vector tools. When selecting an icon, ensure it's in a format that Figma supports, such as PNG or SVG, for the best quality. With your icon selected, simply place it onto your canvas. You can resize and position it as needed using Figma's intuitive drag and drop functionality. If you need to adjust the icon's color or add effects, Figma's Properties panel on the right offers a range of editing tools to customize your design. As you work, don't forget to save your progress. Figma automatically saves your work in real time, but it's always good practice to manually save and keep track of your versions. This way, you can experiment with different designs without losing your original work. That's it! You've successfully created a forward icon in Figma. With these foundational skills, you can start experimenting with other icons and design elements to enhance your projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring Figma's features to improve your design skills. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!